Exclusive and performance-focused, the market launch of the Audi TT RS Coupé Iconic Edition, limited to 100 units in Europe with 11 examples bound for the UK, will celebrate the success story of a quarter-century for the Audi TT Coupé. This iconic sports car has been an inspiration the world over since its premiere in 1998 due to its pure driving dynamics and timeless design. The limited edition Audi TT RS Coupé Iconic Edition stands out with its legendary 5-cylinder performance, making 400 PS and maximum torque of 480 Nm, combined with sporty design elements both in the exterior and interior. In the UK, the Audi TT RS Coupé Iconic Edition will be priced from £87,650, with customer deliveries beginning in the first quarter of 2023.